So, good day, grade 10. I hope you're safe sa inyong mga bahay. Pagpasensyahan na yung audio quality, medyo maulan po. So, here's a video about solving nonlinear absolute value equation. So, almost the same pa rin ito dun sa sinolve natin kanina, pero the difference is, yung ating equation is may degree 2 na, or nasa degree 2, meron ng quadratic term. So let's say you have absolute value of x squared minus 5x plus 5 is equal to positive 1. So since this is positive, we're expecting two solutions. Dahil quadratic, so dapat i-times 2 mo yun. So two solutions times 2, that would be 4 solutions. We're expecting 4 values ng variable natin kapag ganito yung scenario or example. So huwag kabahan. Let's have this example po. Medyo tedious lang, pero kaya naman. Okay? So let's say you have absolute value of x squared minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 1. So copy mo lang yung nasa loob ng absolute value. Then kagaya ng usual na ginagawa natin, yung isa equal sa positive 1, yung isa equal sa negative 1. Okay? So, one at a time, ito muna ang quadratic equation na to. So, let's solve for the values of x here muna. Okay? So, dito, lipat mo yung positive 1, magiging negative 1. So, you will have x squared minus 5x plus 5. Lipat mo yung positive 1, negative 1 is equal to 0. So, here you will have x squared minus 5x, positive 5 and negative 1 is positive 4. So, combine like terms lang po para mabuo natin yung standard form ng ating quadratic equation. Take note, meron tayong keywords for this. That would be positive, add, like sign. So kapag positive, yung ating last term, which is 4, think of two numbers na pag pinag-add ko 4, pag pinag-times ko 4, pag pinag-add ko 5. So, two numbers na pag pinag-times ko 4, pag pinag-add ko 5, that would be 4 and 1. Okay? So, here, ang last keyword mo is like sign. Check the sign of the middle term, that is negative. So, ito ay dapat parehong negative. I-review po yung factoring kung nalilito pa ha. So, from here, zero product property or equate mo lang yung binomial factor to 0. So, you will have x sub 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. And x sub 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Lipat mo lang yung negative 4 saka negative 1 sa kabilang side ng equation. So, from negative 4, magiging positive 4. From negative 1, magiging positive 1. So, meron na tayong dalawang values ng x. Ang kulang na lang natin ay dalawa pa. Proceed tayo dun sa second quadratic equation natin. So, from here, you have x squared minus 5x plus 5 equals negative 1. Ang goal natin ulit ay ma-change siya sa standard form. So, lipat mo yung negative 1 sa kabila, magiging x squared minus 5x plus 5. Lipat mo yung negative 1, magiging positive 1 is equal to 0. Combining like terms, you will have x squared minus 5x. Positive 5 plus positive 1 is positive 6 is equal to 0. So, since positive ulit, number na kapag tinimes ko 6, pag pinag-add ko 5, those are 2 and 3. So, here, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then, check ulit yung sign ng middle term kasi like sign. So, since negative pa rin, negative pareho ito. Zero product property ulit or equate to 0 yung binomial factor. So, we will have x sub 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. And x sub 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. So, lipat ko ngayon yung negative 2 sa kabila, yung negative 3 sa kabila. We will have positive 2 and positive 3. Oh. So, meron na tayong third and fourth solution. So, kompleto na po tayo. Okay? So, from there, Kompleto na yung ating yung solution ng ating nonlinear absolute value equations. Now, take note na kapag equated to the zero, we are expecting two solutions lang. Kasi di ba pag equated sa zero, that is one solution, 1 times 2, that would be two solutions. Kapag naman equated to equated to any negative number, babalik pa rin tayo na no solution. So, gaya kanina, para meron kayong extra recitation chips, pwede niyo pong sagutan ito. Okay, so your given is absolute value of x squared minus 7x plus 8 is equal to positive 2. So since positive, I'm expecting 4 solutions or 4 values of x. Don't forget pala to include your name and section kapag nilagay niyo yung inyong answer sa comment section. And please, para naman maging patas sa inyo mga anak, wag niyong wag niyong i-remind yung mga kaklase ninyo. Hayaan niyo silang ma-discover na merong recitation opportunity dito sa video. That will be all. Thank you.